Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 645 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First, we need to open the Garmin Connect application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, let's tap on the menu icon. To open the menu, scroll down, tap on Garmin devices. Here select our Forerunner 645. Then on this page, on the device page, tap on the more options icon, select remove device and tap on remove. Now we can tap on close the app, open the Bluetooth settings on our phone. So let's open the Bluetooth settings, and in Bluetooth settings, check if you have the Forerunner 645 on the list. And as you can see, I have a couple of them. So if you have the watch on the list, tap on the settings icon, tap on forget device, and I'm just gonna repeat it for all of them. So let's remove them, and once they're gone like this, you can close the settings, and at this point the watch is unpaired from your phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.